Hey, what's going on? Benji Kaiser here today, helping you boost your views using the data analytics within YouTube. This is a fairly simple concept, pretty straightforward. And before we head on over to the screen, let me give you the idea of what you're doing. You're not just trying to rig YouTube, you're trying to create content that truly helps people. And if you can figure out what they're looking for, you can hone in on that subject and grow your views because people are going to want what you are putting out. The reason you know that is because you have the data to back it up. At first, it might take some time. You might have to put out a handful of videos on varying subjects within your niche. But once you see that one video pop, start to focus in on that specific area of your niche that you went after. I hope this helps you gain some insight as you're looking at the analytics and seeing what I did to create groupings of videos. Before we jump on over to my screen, if you have any questions or comments that you want to drop below, please do that. If this video helps you at all, please hit the like button. And if you have yet to subscribe to this channel, I highly recommend doing so. I put out daily videos helping you pack a punch and build an audience. Now let's head on over to my screen. Right, welcome on over to my screen now, and I'm going to talk about how to use the data analytics within YouTube to get more views on your videos. And the first thing that you can do is to come into your dashboard. And you do that by coming up here, go to Creator Studio, and you come in to Overview on Analytics right there. So I'm just going to re-click on that. It's right there. And that loads you in. And what you want to do is you want to look at your top performing videos. All right. So my number one top performing video is Data Scientist versus Data Analyst. Now, the reason I want to look at this video is because this video has brought me a lot of traffic. Now, if I want to increase the views on my other videos that I'm putting out, where I put out daily content, I want to start to create supporting content that surrounds data scientists versus data analysts. Alright, so what I've done is you see I've put a lot of videos out surrounding data analytics. So data analytics job description, what are the 4 skills you need to be a data analyst? And I have the top 4 best laptops for data analytics. Business analytics versus data analytics. Come down here, is data analytics right for you or for me? The top 4 skills in demand for data analytics. Then as you come down further, you'll see I've put out more and more videos that concern this. I actually went all out and did a whole data jargon playlist, which helped create a ton of motion around this. So here, this is one of about 14 videos, and just what I did is I went through and I explained different terms about data analytics, the jargon surrounding it, etc. And so by using the data within YouTube, I found what people were interested in, what they were looking for, and I provided that to the community. And to me, this is just being tactical in a way because I want to help people. I want to lead people in the right direction. I want to help them understand the industry that they're going into. So if I'm putting out content that is helpful to people, then we both win. The channel grows, people get the information they're looking for, etc. So you want to focus on things that people are actually searching for, that people are looking for, and those are the types of things and the types of content you want to put out. Obviously, you want to follow what you're interested in, but I was able to push out what I was interested in, as well as find a way to help people. So if I just put out a bunch of random information about data analytics that nobody was directly interested in, my views would not have grown. But I found what people were looking for, and I provided that to them. Alright, I hope that's helped you grasp the idea of creating batches of content for people to start circling around, for almost people to start binging as it is, like they would on Netflix, because you're putting out content that surrounds a subject that they're interested in. This is actually helping your audience because you're coming at this at a very wise standpoint. You're not just throwing out tons of different content. You're finding what they're interested in and you're honing in on that interest. This will benefit you and your community. You'll get more views, they'll get more information that they want, and everybody wins. If you notice, I do a lot of batch content. What that means is I take one area and I really hone in on it. And then I go and I take another area and I really hone in on it. I try and create a lot of content so people can really understand the area of interest, and they can do that on my channel. So if you'll notice, I've done that with data analytics, I'm doing that with graphic design, I'm doing that with how to get started with online video. So I'm building these structures for people to come in and learn everything they need right here on my channel. So that's one recommendation I'm going to throw out to y'all. If you have any questions, like I said, please comment below. I'm here to answer your questions, and I will definitely reply to those comments. And if you get to subscribe to the channel, do that. Daily videos that help you pack a punch and build an audience right here on this channel. I'm Benji Kaiser of BenjiKaiser.com, and I'll see you here